Number 8 is graph of quadratic function. Graph the following quadratic function g of x equals x minus 2 squared. So first find the y-intercept. Y-intercept is just g of 0, which is y equals 0 minus 2 squared, which is minus 2 squared equals 4. Okay. Then find the x-intercept. The x-intercept is g of x equal to 0, that is x minus 2 squared equal to 0. Take square root of both sides, x minus 2 equal to 0. That means x equals 2 is the x-intercept. Then find the vertex of this quadratic function. That is the quadratic function in vertex form is a times x minus h squared plus k. And compare this to the given function g of x. A is 1, x minus 2 squared, 2 is h, plus 0, 0 is k. So that means h is 2, k is 0, and that is your vertex. So your vertex is 2, 0. Then this is a parabola open up because you have a positive coefficient here. So you have the y-intercept, the x-intercept, and the vertex. Then simply it is a parabola open up. Please subscribe, share, and like. And ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like.